Today, I will be walking through best practices for setting up the wallet feature in the Bushel app. Within your wallet, you'll get access to your Bushel Business Account, the bank account built for the American farmer, provided by the Bancorp Bank and a member FDIC. Within your wallet, you can also activate your debit card to spend your Bushel Business Account balance, link lines of credit, make mobile check deposits, and transfer pay and request payments. To help you get the most out of those features within this wallet, I'll be walking you through a step-by-step guide to set you up for success. Let's get started. Once your Bushel Business Account is created and verified, you should see it appear in your wallet. Whenever you come to the wallet feature, you'll default to the Overview tab, where you can quickly view your assets and liabilities. On this page, you'll see your account balance and your current interest rate will appear in green here. Click View Account Details and you'll see your routing and account information, year-to-date interest paid, and your current interest rate. The interest rate for the Bushel Business Account is variable and may change at any time, so that's why mine's just XYZ, but your account will show that current rate, which is very competitive. You'll also see this ACH authorization. Download the form and provide it to make sure funds land in an account that earns that competitive interest. This could be grain settlements, FSA payments, or any other ACH payment. As soon as your Bushel Business Account is created, a Bushel Gold Visa debit card is available for your account. My first step once my account is connected is going to be opting in to my debit card. When you use your debit card, funds will be drawn directly from your Bushel Business Account balance. Use your debit card on fuel, inputs, parts, or other business transactions that power your farm. Click this banner to get started. You'll need to view the cardholder agreement, then opt in. You'll have instant access to your debit card by clicking View Account Details, then selecting View Card Details to see your card number, expiration, and security code. If I was on my cell phone, I could easily add this to my Apple or Google Wallet with the click of a button. While I can access my card virtually, I can also order a physical version of my card for in-person purchases by clicking Order Physical Card, confirming my address, then placing the order. The physical card should arrive within 7 to 10 business days. You may have already linked an external bank account in your Bushel Business Account setup process. If not, now's the time to add another. You can connect external bank accounts to easily manage your cash flow. I'm going to do the one-time setup process to link an external bank account so I can transfer funds between my accounts in the future. To get started, click the Add Account button. You'll be directed to link your account securely through Plaid. Follow the prompts to complete the linking process. Once you confirm, your account should appear under your assets. To add more money to my Bushel Business Account, I'm going to click Transfer and Pay, then Deposit in Wallet. I'm going to transfer $1,000 from my outside bank. I'll get one more screen to confirm the details, add an optional memo, then deposit. I can see that that has been completed in my Transactions tab. The last thing I'd like to touch on in this Overview tab is the Liabilities section. As you can see, you're able to link loans or lines of credit with participating lenders. Not only can you view loan details, but you can also manage your loan. Go ahead and search for your lender to get started. Then enter your loan number, which is typically found on your monthly statement. Lastly, you'll need to agree to authorize sharing your loan information into your account and press Continue. Your lender will receive notification of the attempt to link your loan, then verify the connection. This is typically completed within 1 business day. Once verified, you'll see loan details like your available credit, maturity date, interest rate, and more. Exact information may vary by lender. You can easily manage loan payments from connected bank accounts within your wallet. Going back to the Transfer and Pay button, we've already covered Deposit and Wallet. Transfer to bank is the opposite of that, so moving money from my Bushel Business Account to an outside bank account. Now, personally, I don't necessarily want to do this because my Bushel Business Account has everything I need earns competitive interest, and has added security with FDIC insurance up to $5 million through sweep program banks. But if I need to move my funds, I can easily do that. Send and request is great for moving money within the Bushel network. If I have hired help, truckers, or other I do business with, I can easily send or request payments. Let's say I rent some land to my neighbor Albert. I can search for his name or handle, put in the amount requested, and optionally add a due date or attach an invoice. Once submitted, that will show up in my request tab. If I wanted to send my brother Andy money for helping me with trucking, I'd follow that same process, click send money, and fill out the rest of the information. Again, I can see incoming, outgoing, and pending payments in that transactions tab. One thing to note is that if someone is not in the network, you could easily invite them to join with the send invite button and add an email or phone number. We'll send them the invite notification to join. The last tab we've not talked about is checks. I've not deposited any checks yet, but this is a great new feature within the Bushel app. With mobile check deposit, you can skip the trip to the bank and deposit checks with limits built for agriculture from your phone. This will only work on mobile devices, so you'll start by going to the Transfer and Pay button and clicking Deposit Checks. Next, endorse your check and snap photos of each side. Enter the check amount and submit your deposit. Deposits are generally available within 2 business days, but longer holds may occur. Thanks for following along as I walked through setting up the wallet feature. For more help, please visit our knowledge base on our website or within the Resource Center in the app. Thanks for watching.